Photorealism has become a norm for 3D artists, and this is what separates a good 3D artist from that of a bad one. But most of the times, photorealism is not about modeling, but it is about materials. But creating materials is like hours of work, and depending upon the workflow that you choose, you'll have to spend ample amount of time. In most of the cases, you'll have to scan or shoot or spend hours procedurally generating materials. But now you have Quartz with you. Quartz is a place where you get access to free materials for achieving photorealism at your own hands. So go to quartz.unox.com right now and get access to the material library for completely free, where you get 2+ material uploads every day. So go to quartz.unox.com right now and download the best materials out there.